In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide elements on Wix. Whether you're looking to streamline your website's mobile experience or just want to remove certain sections from view on specific devices. This step-by-step guide will help you customize your site with ease. Wix makes it simple to tailor your design for different platforms, so you can ensure your website looks great and functions well wherever it's viewed. Stick with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to hide elements on your Wix site like a pro. All right, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Wix website editor to do this. Log into your Wix account. Once you're on the dashboard, select the website you want to work on. This will open up the editor where all the magic happens. Take a moment to let it load, and you'll see a preview of your website as it currently appears on the desktop view. Now, to start hiding elements, you'll need to switch to the mobile view. Look at the top menu bar within the editor. You should see a mobile icon there. Go ahead and click on that. This will change your view to show how your website appears on mobile devices. Keep in mind that the mobile version of your site is often the first impression for visitors on the go, so optimizing this view is super important. Once you're in mobile view, scroll through your page and locate the element or section you want to hide. This could be anything, a text box, an image, a button, or even an entire section. When you find it, click on it to select it. You'll notice that once an element is selected, a little menu of options appears, which allows you to make further changes. Next, look for the button labeled Highlight. This button gives you access to the detailed settings for the selected element. Click on it and a menu or panel will appear. This is where you'll find customization options specific to that element. Now here's the crucial step. In the Settings panel, locate the toggle switch or checkbox that says Hide on Mobile or something similar. Once you find it, go ahead and activate it. This will hide the selected element from the mobile version of your site. It's as simple as that. You can now preview your site to confirm the change. The element will no longer be visible on mobile devices, but don't worry, it's still there on desktop view unless you choose to hide it there as well. If you have more elements you'd like to hide, just repeat the process. Navigate to the next element, click on it, access the settings, and activate the Hide on Mobile option. This process is entirely customizable, so you can hide as many or as few elements as you like, depending on your design needs. Finally, if you want to adjust the visibility of these elements on desktop or tablet views, you'll need to make those changes separately. Remember, Wix allows you to customize each view independently, so your design choices for mobile won't automatically apply to other devices. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to hide elements on Wix. With just a few clicks, you can control exactly what your visitors see on mobile, ensuring a cleaner, more user-friendly experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.